Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Today I will tell you about what are articles. Articles are of three types. First is a, an, the. इससे पहले कि हम आर्टिकल स्टार्ट करें, we have to know about the vowels and the consonants. First of all, we start with vowels. As you all know that there are 26 English alphabets from A to Z. Okay? And the A, E, I, O, U, they are all our 5 vowels. Now look here. Vowels are 5 types. First is A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels in our alphabets. इसके अलावा जो A, E, I, O, U के अलावा जो अदर हमारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स बच जाते हैं, रेस्ट ऑफ द अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर कॉल्ड our consonants. Now look here, I have written here some alphabets, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So there are 21 consonants. There are 21 consonants in our alphabets. Now let's start with articles. We use a before singular nouns, which means one thing on a one person or a one place or one thing, anything. जो भी कोई एक चीज़ होती है उसके आगे हम ए का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड उसके एक इजी वे ऑफ ए का यूज़ करने का एक और तरीका भी है, दैट वी यूज़ ए विच नाउन बिगिन विथ कॉन्सोनेंट. मतलब वो वर्ड्स जो जिसका फर्स्ट लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता हो उसके आगे हम ए लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है बुक, BOOK, book. The first letter of the book is B, and B is a vowel or a consonant. B is a consonant. So we have write here a book. The next one is CAT, cat. The first letter of the cat word is C, and C is a consonant. So we have to write here a. In the same way, TAP, tap. The first letter of the tap is T, and T is a consonant. So we have to use here a. Now let's move to the N. We use N with singular noun that begin with vowel sounds. एन का हम यूज़ उस जगह पे करते हैं जहाँ पे सिंगुलर नाउन हो, मतलब एक नाउन हो, एक चीज़ हो, और जिसका फर्स्ट वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर वॉवल साउंड से स्टार्ट होता हो. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, आई एम रिटन हियर एप्पल, Apple. 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 The first letter of the apple is A, and A is an vowel or a consonant. It's a vowel. So we have to use here an, A and an apple. The next one is, I have written here ice cream. ICECREAM. Ice cream. The first letter of the ice cream is I, and I is a vowel. So we have to use here an ice cream. The same again, I have written here orange. 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 The O is again a vowel, so we have to use here an orange. The next one is umbrella. 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 The first letter is U, and U is a vowel, so we have to use here an. Done. Now I have written here some examples of A or an. A book, a copy, a tree. The first letter of the book is B, and B is a consonant, so we have to use here a book. The next one is copy. First letter is consonant C, that's why we have used A. In the same way, we have to write here some example of an apple, an ice cream, an arrow, an egg. इसमें आप देखेंगे सभी लेटर्स जो वर्ड्स लिखे हैं सभी नाउन्स हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो वॉवल्स है, तो इसलिए इसके आगे हमने एन का यूज़ किया है. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट vowels, consonants and articles A and N. Thank you.